We talk about Nokia N73 Pro versus Honor Magic 6 Pro. Nokia N73 Pro launched on March 2024 with the price tag of $1,099. Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,099. The body dimensions: Nokia N73 Pro height 6.43 inches, width 2.98 inches, and the thickness 9 mm. The Honor Magic 6 Pro dimensions: height 6.4 inches, width 2.98 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 220 gram weight and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 225 gram weight. The both mobile come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type: Nokia N73 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion screen type. The screen size: Nokia N73 Pro comes with 6.81 inches, the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 6.8 inches size. The resolution: Nokia N73 Pro comes with 2K screen resolution and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI density: Nokia N73 Pro comes with 518 PPI density. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 453 PPI density. Nokia N73 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 120Hz refresh rate. Nokia N73 Pro 92.1% screen to body ratio and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 91.6% screen to body ratio. The Nokia N73 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Chorhino Glass. Honor Magic 6 Pro 5000 nits peak of brightness and the Nokia N73 Pro 4000 nits peak of brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with triple camera setup: 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide, and 64 MP periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with triple camera setup: the main sensor 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide, and 180 MP periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60fps video. Let's go to the front camera. The Nokia N73 Pro comes with 32 MP selfie camera and it's record 4K 30fps video with front camera. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with dual camera setup, 50 MP and a TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it's record 4K 30fps video with front camera. The platform: Nokia N73 Pro and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU, and the chipset of these device. The both device come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset and the GPU in both mobile and Reno 750. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with Android 14, Magic OS 8 operating system, and the Nokia N73 Pro Android 14 operating system. The memory: Nokia N73 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The internal storage is same: 256GB, 512GB and 1TB. No SD card support in both mobiles. The battery of these mobiles: Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with 5600 mAh battery and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 5400 mAh battery, and the Nokia N73 Pro comes with 90W fast charging and Honor Magic 6 Pro 80W fast charging supported. The wireless charging: Nokia N73 Pro have 50W wireless charging and the Honor Magic 6 Pro 66W wireless charging. It also comes with 5G network support. Most of the common features is same, but Honor Magic 6 Pro have fingerprint under display and Face ID, and the Nokia N73 Pro have fingerprint under display only. The result of these devices: Nokia N73 Pro got 23 points and the Honor Magic 6 got 24 points.